Ah, my God. What will I do? She will not keep it. So who gave me? While I was waiting for this shoes to come, I came across Public Desire and they were selling exactly the same shoes. Exactly the same shoes. I'm like, oh my God, what did I do? Oh! I'm going to spend so much money when I could have spent $60, $59.99. Oh, it was $59.99. And welcome back to the channel. Welcome tribes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become part of the tribe. If you're old, welcome back. God bless you. I sincerely appreciate the love and support so far on my channel. I've been waiting for this item for over 11 months. Yes, 11 months. So without wasting anyone's time, I'm just going to get right into the unboxing right now. This is the item in the box and I already opened the box, but I haven't taken off the wrap from the box. So this is how it was wrapped. And I'm just going to take out the item from the wrapping. So I do have the item out of the box. Mach Mach.
Nope.
Mach Mach. I don't really know how to pronounce the name and I don't want to butcher the name, but I don't know. I think it's Mach Mach. So I came across this brand on Instagram sometime during March last year, and I'd seen a pair of shoes that was circulating around social media and I fell in love with the shoes and I decided to get a pair because I mean the shoes were they're.com. I think a couple of websites do it all on pre-order, so it's not like you can just go ahead and just pay right out for the shoes. You have to pre-order the shoes. So I went with Muda Operandi, if that's how it's called. There's like a window that you can pre-order the shoes. Like these shoes are not like available. They come out every season, so like they have their seasons when they come out and you have a time window to actually pre-order the item and it gets shipped to you once it's ready. So that was what I did, and back 2020, March 2020, I pre-ordered this Mach Mach shoes and I was super excited that I actually pre-ordered the shoes because I love the shoes. But the only problem I had was I had to wait for over 10-11 months to receive these shoes. I mean the wait was worth it, but like I started getting angry and agitated because I'm like, why would I like pre-order a shoe and it doesn't come on time, you know? And whilst I was just like waiting, I did see another company come out with the shoes for a way cheaper price, and we're gonna get into that. But before that, let's unbox the shoes. So it's in the box and it comes with a dust bag. It's a nice satin filled dust bag that says Mach Mach, and the receipts are right here. Alrighty. And these are the gorgeous babies right here. Look at the shoes. Oh my goodness. Like look at the shoes. And I mean it was worth the wait, but at the end of the day I found a cheaper, way cheaper right here. And look at the crystals around the shoes. So I found the shoes cheaper while I was waiting. I found the shoes cheaper at another website called Public Desire, and I almost bit myself because I'm like, why did I spend this amount of money on these shoes when I could have gotten the other one for like way less? than what the actual shoe cost. So I was so curious, and I'm like, okay, I do not have the original shoes and can't tell the difference. So I was like, whatever, let me just get the shoes. So I got the shoes, and to my surprise, I was like, oh my god, why did I pay this price for these shoes? Why is it on pre-order? Can I cancel my pre-order? I just had mixed feelings about the actual shoes that I purchased. So these are the look-alike to the actual shoes that I have. And guys, these shoes look like the exact same shoes that I have. Like, I was like, why did I spend so much? This was just $60. Now that I have the actual shoes, I can actually tell you guys the difference. So I'm not showing you guys to talk down about this shoes. What I'm trying to say is, if you don't have the budget for the actual shoes, which are these ones right here, you can actually go for these options. This is more like also bougie on a budget. Bougie on a budget. I can actually tell the difference. First of all, the heels are not actually leather, whereas this one's, the heel, back of the heel is made right out of leather, and these are not leather. But now what I can say is the both shoes are very pointy, but the difference between both of them is the crystals around the shoes are similar, but there are more crystals on this one than this. Also, the studs right here, are a little bit bigger than the ones over here. And the strings over here are not made of, obviously they're not made of leather, but these are actually made of leather and like nice crystals as well. Overall, they serve its purpose. The heels are kind of like, they're almost the same heels, but this heel tab is bigger and this is a little bit slimmer. As you can see, it's very slight difference. One is made of full-blown leather. I do have this. I would be rocking this as well as rocking the actual shoes that I got. If you don't have the budget for the actual brand, which is Mach Mach, you can go for Public Desire and have the same feel as the actual shoes that I have. These are again $60. I will put the link down in the description box if you're interested in getting this ones. These are Public Desire shoes, and these are Mach Mach or Match and Match. I don't know. I think the wait was worth it. Also, give this video a thumbs up and hit that like buttons, honey. Yes, hit that like buttons. I'm waiting for you guys now. Go ahead and hit that like button. Hit it. Hit that like button. And also, if you're not following me on my Instagram page, I'm going to link it up here so you can go ahead and also follow me on Instagram and become part of the tribe on my Instagram page. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye and take care.